Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to change WhatsApp ringtone on iPhone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your WhatsApp app. Step 2. Press setting icon. Step 3. Tap on notification. Step 4. Here I am changing message notification. Press sound, then select anyone. Such as example, here I am selecting Bamboo. Then save, press back, then I am changing right now group notification. Here by default sound is note, but I am changing it now. Group notification from note to I am changing circles. Then press again save button. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel.